I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Berries, Blooms, and Tea collaboration. The theme of today's collaboration is Summer Entertaining Ideas. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Dream with Caroline, May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels all listed below for inspiration. For my Berries and Blooms tea party today, I'm decorating with patriotic theme in red, white, and blue. My husband and I are having friends over for the 4th of July, and the 4th of July is almost here. For my blooms, I'm using these beautiful white flowers with 3 flags in this crystal vase. And then I also have these beautiful little daisies that remind me of summer. And I have a little metal tin here with little stars. I'll add this right here to the table. In between the lovely white flowers, I'm gonna slip in this little firecracker. This was a gift from my friend. These little firecrackers are so cute and perfect for the 4th of July. These patriotic beads will be the perfect touch for my table today. I have this little mouse that was a gift from my friend and another little coordinating mouse. They both have really super cute smiles and little flags. These napkins will go perfectly with my table. And now for the berries on this blue and white patriotic platter. After dinner tonight, my husband and I are planning that we'll get out the ingredients for our friends to make some strawberry cheesecake parfaits. They'll be so much fun and perfect for the 4th of July celebration. They're so beautiful they could almost be a centerpiece just by themselves. The table is all set with our blooms and our berries. It'll be perfect for the 4th of July as well. Now it's time to go and make our parfaits. And this is what the parfaits look like that we're making this evening. Jell-O cheesecake pudding, Cool Whip, and strawberries. I'm so glad you were here. I had so much fun participating in this really fun collaboration. I would hope that you would check out the other channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.